If you're wondering how you can connect Strava with the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now first of all, just pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your smartphone through the Galaxy Wearable app. After you connect your smartphone with the Galaxy Fit 3, then the next step is to open the Google Play Store, and in the search bar just search this. And from here just install Samsung Health on your smartphone. After you do that, then tap on Open and set up Samsung Health. Now, while you're setting up Samsung Health, just make sure you use the same Samsung account which you used to open the Galaxy Wearable app. And once you have set up Samsung Health on your smartphone, then go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store one more time. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Now just install Strava on your smartphone. Once the app is downloaded, just tap on Open. Now if you already have a Strava account, just tap on Login. But if it is your first time creating a Strava account, just tap on Join for free. Then tap on Continue with Google and select your email account. Tap on Accept. Now in this section, just enter your first name, and in this section, just enter your last name. After you do that, then tap on Done, tap on Continue, and over here, just enter your date of birth. After you do that, then tap on OK, and tap on Continue. Now just select your gender, then tap on Continue. On this page, just select the activities which you want to do, and tap on Continue. Tap on Let's Go, and select what you want to use Strava for. Then tap on Continue, and from here, just select your experience level. After that, just tap on Continue and tap on the X icon over here. Tap on Continue. Then tap on Choose Permissions. Select Allow and tap on Done. Now after you set up Strava on your smartphone, then go to your home screen and open the Samsung Health app. Under the Home section, just tap on the three dots over here and tap on Settings. Under the Samsung Health settings, just tap on Services. And over here, just enable the toggle for Strava. Tap on Accept, and from here just select the same email account which you used to sign into Strava. Tap on Sign in with Google, and from here just scroll down and tap on Authorize. And after you do that, you will connect your Strava account with your Galaxy Fit 3, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.